Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Chrome is open and responsive. This avoids delays. Once done, right-click the link if it's visible, or copy it to the clipboard so you don't fumble. Now, press Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or Command+Shift+N on Mac to open an Incognito window immediately. This is faster than navigating menus. Make sure extensions are disabled in Incognito by default. That preserves privacy and explains why some pages behave differently. Once your Incognito window appears, focus the address bar and paste the link. You can also drag a URL from another window into Incognito. If the link is from an app, choose Open with Chrome, then pick the Incognito window. Otherwise, paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V. You'll see no history entry created, which is the why behind this step. Make sure resources like cookies or saved sign-ins won't autofill by checking the profile icon. Incognito isolate. To finish, close the Incognito window when you're done. That clears cookies and session data automatically. If the link opened in a regular window instead, copy the URL and manually paste it into a new Incognito window. That fixes many accidental defaults. If Incognito mode is unavailable, check Chrome settings or enterprise policies because admins can disable it. Finally, if pages misbehave, disable extensions one at a time in normal mode to locate the culprit before retrying Incognito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.